What is up, guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a transition with your logo on it for free in two free softwares, and I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. So this is what we're going to try to make, guys, and let's get straight into it. Alrighty, guys, so the first thing you guys want to do is you guys want to go ahead to some kind of photo editor. So the one that I'm going to be using is called Pixlr photo editor, Pixlr E, free image editing tool. So this is what you want to do. You want to come to a website, you want to come to your video editor, and then for this website, you want to come down to create now. You want to go to full HD 1920 times 1080 and hit create. And you should be left with this thing. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get choose your colors that you want to use. We're going to be using 3 colors. So choose 3 colors, and so that's that. And you want to make 3 layers, so you have 3 different layers, and you want to make them empty. So all 3 layers have to be empty, and so then you want to head down to the bucket thing over here, and then you want to click the color that you're going to use, and then boom. So that's that one. And then for the other one, I'm going to make it black. Then you can, if you uncheck it, you can see the other one. And then for this one, let's make it a lighter blue. Click that, we go back to the bucket, click that. So then if we uncheck these two, you're left with this layer right here. So on this layer, I'm gonna have this one at the top because you guys probably want the lighter layer on top. So then it gets that good stuff. So unclick that. We're gonna check the black one, and then you want to head over to edit. You want to hit free distort, and then you just want to merge this over here. Oh, I clicked on the wrong one, guys. My bad. No. So you want to make sure you clicked on the right layer first. Free distort, and you should see the checkered background in the back. You want to do it like that. And do the same thing for this one on the other side. Hit that. Hit yes. That's the first layer. Then you can check this layer. Edit. Free distort. This one you want to head over the layer like this. Like that. Hit yes. As you guys can see, there's a little bit of an edge down here that you need to fix if that happens. So you need to fix this just by doing this, just adding a little bit to it. Boom. Yes. Love to keep the free distort. So there's that layer. A little bit so they look even. Right there. Looks good. And as you can see, I still have some corner over here that is out. You can still see the black on the under. Boom. There's that one. And then for this one, you want to do the same thing. Click on it. Free distort. Boom. Yes, like to keep the free distort. So then here is this thing that you guys are going to need. So this is the first part of what you're going to need. So then you want to file, save image as, save it as PNG. You can name it whatever you want. We're going to name this transition background. Hit download. And that's that for this part of what you need. The next step you guys need to go to Davinci Resolve, re-download, to find the one that says Davinci Resolve, so this one. Davinci Resolve, free download. I already have it downloaded, so there's no point of doing that. But, so once you have that downloaded, you're going to want to open it up. You're going to get two of the things once you download it. This is the Pro, which you don't need the Pro one because it's money and things. So you just want to use the normal Davinci Resolve. You're going to open that up. Bring you to a screen like this. Alrighty guys, so once you guys are in, you're going to want to click New Project. Name it. Rename it Transition. Or Vid. Because I already have one named Transition, as you guys can see. Hit Create. And then you guys want to grab the transition and your logo that you just made. You didn't make a logo, but if you need how to make a logo, I can make another video on that. Just let me know in the comments below. Then you want to put your background thing that we made in there. And then you want to put your logo in there also. So there's the logo, and make sure these are PNGs so then you have you know, background, so then you can't see the background. So then when I head over to edit. Alrighty guys, so once you guys have your things in that you need, you want to add a fusion composition. If the effects are not there, just click the effects library on the top corner up here. And then you want to size this down so that it is 3 seconds long. Boom. And that's it for this part. Head over to Fusion. And then you have your media out. You want to add your transition and your logo, the background. And then you want to add 2 transforms. And then you want to connect the transforms with the medians. And then add 1 merge. And then connect those with that. So this is what you should have right here. You should have your logo thing on top of that and that. This is what you should have looking right here, something like this. Click the transform one of the background. And at 18, you want to make the size all the way up. At 0, you want to make the size until you only see blue. Boom. Then at 18, you want to have this. So at 18, you want to have the thing so then it comes all the way. So at 70, you want to have the thing go all the way off the thing. Boom. Click. At 18, you want to have it at 0.5. You should get something like this. Play. This is what you should get so far. And so that's it for the background part. Now you want to click on transform number 2, which is the logo. And now when you see the thing come off, which is like right here, at 38.5 or 38.5, you want to make the size go down to 0. Actually, no. At 38, you want to have the size go down to 0. Click the button. And at 1, you want to have the size be at 1. At 0, I meant on the timeline, you want to have it at 1 for the logo. So then this is what you have. Or you can make it pop in. You could have the size go up here. Have the size be at 0 here. Have that at 0. Then now you have it come in. And then you can have it come out. Beautiful so far. Just beautiful so far. Then we're going to head back over to Transform 1. We have this. We want to head back over to Transform 2 and at 38 and a half, then make the size go back down to 0. So then you have this. Click spline, check these, and then hit F on your keyboard. And that just gives it for a smoother transition. And head over to Final Cut Pro, go to QuickTime, GoPro Synform, RGB. Make sure you hit Export Alpha because that's going to allow us to have that transparent background. And make sure it's on the top one. And if you do straight, I mean it's fine, but it will work still. But you don't need it; it's not necessary. So you can keep it on 1920 x 1080 HD, and now you just hit Add to Render Queue. You guys gotta choose your location of where you browse it at. So we're gonna put it in just our downloads, Add to Render Queue, and then we hit Start Render. And just like that, the render is done. So then if we head into your thing, it should pop up when you click on it. It should be like a V10000, something like that. So the item is coded in a format that's not supported. So what you want to do is you want to exit out of this. You want to head back to your Google. And you want to go to a Webm Converter. You hit this. This is the one I like to use just because you choose the file that you just wanted to use. So this is the thing. Start uploading. Now it's going to be a good WebM file. Hit the Start Conversion button. Alright, so now it should take you to a new page. Don't click on any of these ads, by the way. Just wait for this to be done and then hit download. And then you should be able to click this, open. And now we have our beautiful logo transition. So now you can click out of this. And we're going to head into OBS. Alrighty guys, so once you guys are in OBS, you want to head down to your scene transitions. You want to hit the plus button, add a stinger, hit OK or name it whatever you want to. Browse for that file you just did. So if I head down to downloads, it should be this one. Want to make this 1000. So it's 1 second between it switches. Look at that. Beautiful. And then if you guys added an audio clip, which I did not cover in today's video, you just want to have it fade out, crossfade, and then you want to have this to monitor and output. And that's it. So now you just hit OK. And then you can head down to whatever you want to do. So let's say you want to head down to your BRB screen. Boom. And stream start. Box up your logo. Boom. Very simple, very easy. way to do all this stuff. It's very simple, using 2 free platforms too, so nothing involved, no money, no nothing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.